Bambaklap. Yo.
Yes, Chairman.
What's up, my
What's up,
people?
Meghalaya, my people, our people,
We're back
our
again.
family.
Bambaklap.
Yes, tell them.
So today we are about to go down.
We are going downhill, okay?
Keep your set
We are
beat.
going downtown.
Today we are planning to learn something new. We are doing
Okay.
this reacting out of love. So please show
Show
us.
us some love also.
Subscribe, like,
Yeah.
share because of Subi.
Do it because of this Nepali. She came
All-
from Nepal just to do reaction.
Yeah, for Meghalaya people.
Yeah, so today we are actually this music we are going to react today is latest music just released like 1 day back. So by the title
Still fresh.
PARALOK BASHISHA.
Sha.
Bashisha, hit song, okay?
Singer
Carmel Dohling and
Genevieve.
Genevieve. Okay, so we are going to check it out, guys, from Amos Studio, guys. Not from Africa. Let's do it, guys. This is Gabsgabi, yeah.
This is Suri and
This is
Mohib.
Muhammad.
Mahala boy.
Yeah, okay, Wala
Do
boy.
you look like Muhammad? This is Mohib,
Yeah,
guys.
Mubat.
Yeah, this is Mohib. So let's do it. Make sure to subscribe, guys.
Like, share.
Do it. Do it. PARALOK BASHISHA.
Yeah, man.
It is
Wow.
red.
Island.
Are we in that place? How
Is
do
it
you
Maldives?
Maldives?
Maldives.
Are we in Maldives or Meghalaya?
Bunsian
Yeah, I don't know this. People
habangat
just
men
like this.
Lagi kap barang kanjing
What is
snola
you guys here?
Yang aban kedop hajing jauh umat Yarwai yasyau dajing sngau tenan Hableng jing sngau si jing kuslai Ban kro ban kejor ban serpu serpai Palagi bunting tung yang kikang Pa ai men siembangan kieu syaprang Kadbah kila la iboy ibor Ki ai kelut lapor bakor dor Kamnya ban syam ki bakom kita Ditang paralok bashisha Paralok bashisha Paralok bashisha Paralok bashisha
Michael Jackson.
Paralok bashisha
Yes, we're back.
Bambaklap. Hey.
Malakas ngi malaka body tamban pilo pakordor Kanu mensim kas not lang dapat pingam don lang
Boleh.
Wala shon ki kren persya Purong jang nagi persyang ban penja Ben ban piek piale bangida Ban sadak nang kerteng jong na Ching it bashisha kram ching ting kai Ching it shisur ching it bajanai Hang nongan shem kabakum kata De tambut piki lok chonga Paralok bashisha
Do it, guys.
Paralok bashisha Paralok bashisha Paralok bashisha
Yem hang ni ha
See, I like that lady.
Kan
You are from
kenja kan long marwe
my face, because I'm
Vensip
not sure
kat
about
mangda
this.
sisa
See?
Klamapi paralok jonga
Yeah, man.
Ching it bashisha kram ching ting kai Ching it shisur ching it bajanai Hang nungan shem kabakum kata De tambut piki lok chonga Paralok bashisha
Show them. Yeah, man.
Paralok bashisha Paralok bashisha
Start. I'm doing it.
Show them.
Hey.
Go there we go.
Michael Ingro.
Paralok bashisha.
So this music.
Translator Subi.
Translate.
Yeah.
I think this music video is about friendship. We can guess, guys.
A friendship and hanging out during the summertime.
Yeah.
There's a force water and a lot of beautiful things, as you can see. Yeah, man. So, what's your like? How do you rate this from 1 to 10? The song, the dance.
The song, because there is no subtitle, guys. So anyway, we just love music and
Enjoy the beats.
we enjoy the beat, we enjoy the vibe, and sing.
We even dance.
Yeah, they dance, right?
Yeah.
They are so good. At first, I thought those ladies they are just there featured to be part of the video, but it's good that they also join in dancing. So
Yeah.
it's like big guys and big boys things, guys.
Yeah.
They all give good energy together. Even I think the ladies gave much more energy than the boys. What do you think? Yeah, the ladies won this video. They made this video to look amazing and beautiful. You know it already. Yeah, they won.
Yeah, man.
Because I was thinking that boy is the singer, but no, I found the singer is someone else.
I disagree. You.
Disagree? I'm standing with the ladies, those ladies.
I'm standing with the boys.
What those boys did? Only
The way that dancing.
only the last boy who came wearing that.
No,
that one
even
who
from
was
beginning,
dancing.
that guy, the one who was explaining to them. So,
that
Subi,
actor.
which side you are?
Gods.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, in acting, the boys also are good in acting, but those. Okay, we are not judging because we are
Yeah, we're
not
not judging.
everyone is a dancer. Even
Yeah.
myself, I don't know how to dance.
Yeah.
So we are not saying because they didn't dance.
We're not judging. We're just.
I'm
our
just
honest
like
review.
I'm just expressing how the girls did. Guys,
Yeah.
they at the end,
Sorry,
all,
guys.
yeah, they are not shy, man. They did it. Just imagine two men there between those 4 to 5 ladies. If they're shy, they won't make it, right?
Yeah.
They made the video amazing. That was good. And
Of
tell
course
us
they
the
did.
meaning. What does it mean by paralog, guys?
Mhm.
Is it a friendship music video or a chilling party, whatever, guys? Anyways,
Or
nice.
family. Maybe of the one family. Who
Yeah.
knows?
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
guys, for suggesting, and all the best for the team, guys. Since this music just
Just
released
released yesterday.
one day or yesterday,
Mhm.
so wishing them all the best. Love from Africa.
Not from South Sudan.
Love from Nepal. Love from Khasi,
Shillong.
Shillong, Mizoram.